Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this how beautiful are you filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. To get this effect, what you can do, just go to the effect gallery and try to find it in your trending section. This is in my favorite. Remember this image? This is the filter. Okay, there are lots of filter with this name, so it's very difficult to find it in search or either from the For You page. So what you can do to get this effect easily, just 1 minute. Okay, just visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. Okay, so here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page. Okay, here on the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there. Okay, the effect, just select 60 seconds or 10 minutes and tap on the screen. Everything 100? No. Okay, so that's it. Guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on and use this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video, guys. In the next video.